We have to find the equivalent resistance of a circuit formed by 6 resistances. The diagram is shown. This circuit diagram is formed by 6 resistances, and we have to find the equivalent resistance between two terminals A and B. This is the circuit diagram. This point is A, other point is B. Between A and B there are 6 resistances. Resistance R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. So these are the 6 resistances in this circuit diagram, and modified circuit diagram of the given diagram will be as follows. We can compare the last diagram with this diagram, and this diagram will behave as the same as that of the last diagram. This is the equivalent circuit diagram of the given circuit diagram. A and B are the 2 points between which there are 6 resistances. R1, R2 will be connected in parallel combination, then R3, R4 are connected in parallel combination. This resistance is R6 and that was R5. Again, we can modify this circuit diagram or simplify this circuit diagram. R5 and R6 will be unchanged, will keep unchanged. In place of R1, R2 we can denote only single equivalent resistance. In place of R3 we can denote another equivalent resistance. This terminal is B and this is A, other terminal is B. Resistance R5 and RP and RP prime and R6. Now RP is the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of two resistances R1 and R2. Again, we can simplify this circuit diagram. R5 and R6 will remain unchanged, but in place of RP and RP prime, we can connect a single equivalent resistance, that is RS, because RP and RP prime are connected in series combination. Terminal A and B, R5 is the resistance, then RS, not RP, it should be RS, because RP and RP prime are connected in series combination. So that's why equivalent resistance of RP and RP prime should be denoted by RS, should be denoted by RS. This is RS, and last resistance is R6. Now we can find the equivalent resistance RP. First we have to find RP and RP prime. then we can find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Given R1 equal R2 equal R3 equal R4 equal R5 equal R6 equal R. 6 resistances have the same value. Now the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of the two resistances R1 and R2, equivalent resistance of the two resistances R1 and R2, equivalent resistance of the two resistances R1 and R2 is given by Rp equal R1 dot R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Putting the values R into R, that is R square, divided by R plus R means 2R. Since R1 equal R2 equal R, that is the logic. Therefore, Rp equal R by 2. Rp equal R by 2. Equivalent, this is the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of the two resistors of resistances R1 and R2. Similarly, the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of the two resistances R3 and R4 is the equivalent resistance of R3 and R4. R3 and R4 is Rp prime. This is also the parallel combination of R3 and R4. That's why Rp prime equal R3 R4 divided by R3 plus R4. So putting the values, Rp will be R by 2. Rp prime will be R by 2. Since R3 equal R4 equal R, we get the expression of Rp prime which is equal to R by 2. Now, the equivalent resistance of Rp and Rp prime is given by Rs equal Rp plus Rp prime. Here Rp and Rp prime are connected in series combination. In place of Rp we can write R by 2, in place of Rp prime we can write R by 2 again. Therefore, Rs equal R, that is the equivalent resistance of Rp and Rp prime. Now, the equivalent resistance between the 2 points A and B will be Rab equal Rp into Rs into R6 divided by Rp Rs plus R5 Rs plus R5 R6 plus Rs R6. Here Rs, R5 Rs R6 are connected in parallel combination between the 2 points. Now putting the values of R5, Rs and R6, we get R cube divided by R square plus R square plus R square. Since R5 equal Rs equal R6 equal R, therefore Rab equal R cube by 2, 3R square. R cube by 3R square. Therefore, Rab equal R by 3. R by 3. This is the equivalent resistance between the 2 points A and B. Rab equal R by 3. This is the equivalent resistance equivalent resistance between the 2 points A and B. It is also the equivalent resistance of the 6 resistances